TopGum Industries was founded in 2004 as a confectionery gummy manufacturer. Over the years, TopGum established a leading position in the Israeli market as the largest local manufacturer of high-quality gummies. In 2016, the company identified the growth potential of gummies as supplements and decided to bring its expertise to the field. To make this happen, the company invested heavily in upgrading its production capabilities to ensure compliance with the most strict supplement international GMPs and other relevant regulations and acquire state-of-the-art manufacturing and packaging equipment. TopGum successfully leveraged the Israeli food technology ecosystem, together with its vast confectionery experience and top-notch R&D professional team, to create a high-quality sugar-based gummy supplement portfolio and recently pioneered a new groundbreaking delivery system. Our new Gummy delivery system is a proprietary innovative gummy form, revolutionizing the world of gummies. The new form is based on prebiotic fibers that do not require sugar of any kind to taste great and joyful. These special gummies are suitable for vegans, are non-GMO, and completely clean label. On top of that, the gummies are able to carry high doses of active ingredients, such vitamins, minerals, and herbs. The only drawback is that they taste so good, you'll want to eat more than the recommended dose.